Shut the fuck up! Maybe you move it a little bit. Fucking hell. Fucking hell. The average biker who cannot wear fucking gears. See? Cannot wear fucking gears, nothing. I'm gonna be mean, but he's probably too fat to wear anything, to be honest.
Hear you. Hold on your window.
Don't knock on my fucking window.
You almost just hit me.
Fuck you, kid. I'm in my lane. Don't you fucking touch my vehicle.
Listen.
I'll get out of here. Break your
I don't wanna fight.
Dude,
I don't wanna fight.
get the fuck away from me. Get the fuck away. Get on your bike and get the fuck out of here.
Wherever you are, you fucking stay right there. You pull in there. You stay there. Fucking stay there, you fucking wanker. You! What was you just doing?
What's your...
What was you doing?
Listen to me,
What,
mate.
I've got you on camera.
I don't give a
shit, mate, right? You nearly took me off my fucking
No,
bike.
I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
Did you not see how close you were?
Can we stop it? We're here to see people.
I know, but that's right, you know what? That could have been me going to hospital because I had people like you taking over. I've been hit twice now
to me,
because
you?
of people like you driving like assholes.
That bloke in front of me.
Right, okay.
Can I just explain my particular thing?
I understand you were overtaking because he was being slow because he was being slow when we were coming up to you.
All the way
But
up the road from
the thing is,
Bramall.
though,
I want to get in here.
Yeah,
I understand you're trying to get here.
I understand, but all it was
you, mate, I was nowhere near you.
I've got you on camera. I've got you on camera.
How long have you been driving?
How long? 4 years.
How long have I been driving?
I don't care how long. It's
50
nothing.
years.
It's nothing to do with that. It's the fact that you can't drive like an arsehole on the road.
Oh, what?
You overtook nearly 3 cars, whatever it was.
What car?
I don't care.
What
you nearly
car?
hit me. You nearly took me out.
we just
I had to I had it all the way up.
It doesn't matter, does it? Just like
It's alright, I'm gonna get this camera, I'm gonna fucking report you to the police because you're an arsehole. You drive like an absolute idiot.
Just go. He doesn't understand. Just go inside. Just let him calm down. Just go inside.
All that I know, that bloke.
Yeah, but you can't use the facts.
Please just go. Please go away.
You
Go away.
can't use the facts, but
Chris, you go away.
Please go. Just go. Just go.
he's still got you on camera, and right now you're intimidating because you're coming into his face.
You're harassing me now.
No,
You're harassing me. I'm asking you to leave. Thank you.
What's your fucking problem, bro? What? What did I do?
Look, they ran the car on the street. Pulled in front of them.
I about ran the car off? What the fuck did you say?
I said, look, they ran the car on the street.
I don't do shit. I have it all on GoPro, you dumb fuck. Get out of here with your shitty fucking car. Fuck you. Fuck you, bro. Fucking faggot.
No, it was you.
I'm telling you it was not me.
Okay.
I have it all on fucking GoPro.
That's fine.
Yeah. Why the fuck do you run people off the road? Why
I didn't run you off the road.
What the fuck's your problem? You went to the other fucking lane, you dumbass. You can... I said he went to the other fucking lane to get to me. Are you fucking stupid? We were fucking in one lane. The turning lane. He went to the motherfucking turning lane. You're fucking retarded. It's a fucking two-lane street to fucking turn.
Why you got glasses?